Hey guys, finally have some time to come on here and do the settings that we set for getting a clearer render. So there's a couple things that you need to do. Once as you get your view all set up, so you've gone into Arnold and you're pretty sure this is where you want it, you're going to come up to Window, go to your render editor, render settings. You're going to switch this format to either a PNG or a TIFF because they're lossless, which means that they're not losing any pixels at next time you save them. And we are, normally this will look like this down here in pixels, not inches. And basically what's happening is this image is super duper small. So I'm going to go to maintain width and height ratio and just bump that up to 4,000. 5,000, whatever. So this image will be super big, but it's because when it prints it out, even if we switch this down here to 300 or renders it out, sorry, it's still going to save as a 72 dpi image. So you have to go into Photoshop and bring up the resolution to 300, which will then shrink the image overall. So once you have all this set up, you can go ahead and close that. Then you'll want to go into Windows and the light editor. And if your samples aren't high enough, then the lights won't register as high. So you might not need 6, but you can go up to like 3 or something. It's controlling how the shadows are hitting. So sometimes you'll get some really blurry shadows. You'll need to play around with the samples and some of the other light settings. So you gotta bump that up to 3 or whatever number. Remember, the more samples and the higher your image is, the longer it will take to render. So once we get that, I'm just going to go down to the attribute editor. So inside this light, this area light that she has here, you can go down, you can play with all of these settings as well, making your light more round, softening the edges. You can also change your samples here. You hit normalize, this light will change. I'll show you what happens when we do that. But there's a bunch of different settings that you can mess around, and if something isn't working out, just go ahead and change that. So, let's go up to our Arnold Open Render view just to see what we got. Go ahead and press that play button, and you'll probably notice that your image has gotten really big. You can go ahead and zoom out inside this render view. And wait. So down here it will say that it's hit 100%, but you can definitely tell that Maya is still cleaning up these pixels. You'll want to wait until all the pixels are cleaned up, so you probably just want to leave this for a few. Go to the bathroom, go get a snack, whatever. You can set it so you can see the tile. You can go down to Windows and show render tiles, and this little kind of like the whatchamacallit, the dragon game will come around and eat the tiles. Once you don't see that going around anymore, then it's probably safe to render out or save your image. So back to the light up here, if I go ahead and get to the light attributes again. Also remember, the reason why I told you to make sure that you're in the correct view is every time it moves it's going to have to reload, so you don't like this one little area or there's a tangent or something. If you try to go and adjust this now and you've already gotten this much rendered, it will have to do that all again. So just make sure you have the view before you go and switch those settings. Okay, so the normalize, like I was talking about, if I come down here and check this normalize, we're have it unchecked, it's going to bring in different ways it's casting the light. So one is more intense over the other. Cast shadows. You can play with all of these. Um, if you're looking for a toon look and having it not no shadows in your scene, you could also do the check the cast shadows. And you can go ahead and play with all of your different settings here. You could make these shadows less intense, depending on what you're feeling. Or you could even change the shadow color. But anyway, yep, those are the render settings that you need to do, and make sure that you are waiting for this to get done, cleaning up, even though this says 100. It is not done. Obviously, there is so much noise over in the corner. Thanks.